Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another natural remedy that will help us cleanse our businesses, or that will help us to have money in our businesses. Sorry about my voice. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, but my voice is not good. But you can bear with me. Yeah. So get a pinch or a small or half or a quarter, depending on what you want, a quarter of sugar. You put it in a cup, or you put it on a plate, or a small container, or you can put it in a basin, or you can put it in a tin. Anything that will help you make the remedy very fast for you. So after getting the sugars, you see there, I've gotten sugar and I'll put it in a cup. You also get a pinch of salt. You add in the sugar. You know, in the golden years, our grandfathers, our grandmothers, they've used a lot of salt to cleanse themselves, to cleanse the evil spirits in the house, to cleanse their body. So you get it, mix it together with the sugar. After mixing it together with the sugar, you can pour water. You get my point? Pour water and you mix them together and they dissolve completely into each other. So before you go to work, we are manifesting money. You know, God gave us those natural remedies to manifest money. Before you go to work, or in case you have a business, or in case you have an online business, just pay attentive to what I'm going to tell you before you go to work or you go to your business. For example, if in case you have a business like the salon, like the boutique, grocery shop, anywhere, as long as you have a business, get that water that you mixed in with salt and sugar. Wash your hands, wash your face, wash the whole body part of you. You can wash the face, the whole body part of you. You wash it, meaning you're cleansing it. And whenever you wash it, you have to talk these words like, God help me, I get customers, I get money, I get so much money, I want to get money, I want my customers to keep on coming every day. I want my customers to bring me money. I want to have money. I don't want to lack. I don't want to lack money on me. You understand? So you just keep on cleansing yourself with that water and you begin talking those words. You want to have money because money has become a problem. So you tell God, I want to have money. So when you're going to work also, you cleanse yourself with that water and you tell yourself, I'm going to work, but I want my customers to come and pay. For example, me, I'm in business. For example, you're in business or you're in sales, like I want my customers to come and pay. In case you do online business, you cleanse yourself with water, with that remedy, and you manifest, like, I'm manifesting, I want my customers, I want the old customers, the new customers to come and give me money or to come and buy my products. I don't want my pockets to lack money. You understand? And in case, trust me, it has ever worked. I've ever tried. It has ever worked for me. And every day, whenever you keep on saying those words, and you see like there are so many customers that are coming, for example, in the shop or in the salon, in case like you're tired or you made a lot of money, don't begin saying like, these customers are so many, I wonder why they are coming. If you're tired, just close your shop and proceed the next day. Don't get tired of customers, because when you get tired of customers, you begin like frowning your face. Trust me, your customers will just run away. Customers will just run away and they won't come back, because, forgive me my voice, because you've said you're tired of customers. Yes, customers will come, give you money, and when you're tired, please close your business and go home and proceed the next day. So be trying this remedy. I'm not saying like be trying, but it works. As I said, it works and I've experienced it. Be using it every morning, whenever you go to your work, whenever you go to your business, whenever you go to your factory, whenever you do anything, be using it. And whenever you're using it, please manifest. Manifest whatever money you want. Like, God help me, I want a lot of money. Trust me, that manifestation is going to work. You're going to get money. You won't lack money. You'll be having money, new money, old money. You'll be having a lot of money with you. So try that remedy out, and you come back in the comment section and you tell me how it has worked for you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Thank you for watching.